My name is Karuna and today I want to share the recipe of a famous dish named DHOKLA. Basically, DHOKLA is a Gujarati snack and this is very healthy and nutritious food, and this is also named as the pride of the Gujarat. So here we go. Today I am going to tell about the ingredients of DHOKLA. So, Bengal gram flour, which is also known as besan, sugar, oil, green chilies, lemon, water, turmeric powder, salt, yogurt, and these are the mustard seeds, eno, and curry leaves. Now we are going to mix all the ingredients. Firstly, add the besan. Add sugar, add salt, yogurt, some turmeric powder, add oil, and mix it. Add some water also. And mix it well to make a batter. Make sure that there are no lumps. And after mixing, add some lemon juice. And again mix it. Cover the batter with a lid at room temperature for at least half an hour. Take a pan, pour some oil in it and let it heat. Add mustard seed in it. Now add some curry leaves and chilies also. And let it fry. Add at least 1 glass water in it. Add lemon juice. And after some time, add sugar in it. And let it boil. Our solution is ready and place it aside. Take the batter out and add eno in it and mix it well. The cake tin and grease it with the oil. Put the batter in the tin. Now take the pan out and add at least 1 bottle of water. Now put the batter in it and cover it with a lid for half an hour. After half an hour, take it out. this and place it in a plate. Now cut it into pieces. Now pour the solution on it. Now our dhokla is ready to serve. Hey guys, this is my dhokla recipe of the lockdown. I hope you enjoyed it.